Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how to combine photos on your iPhone. We have two ways of doing so, but the first one is only with screenshots. So let's start with the first one. At first we need to go to the utilities folder, which is the pre-created one by Apple. But wait a moment, I will need to lower the brightness level. Here, utilities, and now we have to enter shortcuts. Now we have to tap gallery in the bottom right corner, and here we have to tap search. In the search bar we just have to search for combine. Here, as you can see, we have shortcuts combine screenshots. Tap it and tap add shortcut. Now your shortcut should be added in library here as the first one. Tap that. Here, as you can see, we have screenshots, but that's not the case. We can modify it as we want and to our own needs, or just use it by tapping on this shortcut. Here we have one screenshot, two screenshots, and we can add these screenshots at the top. Now we can tap done, and as you can see here, they have three screenshots combined into one single. Here they have a very long HardReset.Info website, some screenshot from the gallery and screenshot from the homepage. Now we can share this by tapping here and save image, or as you can see, we have a crash, so we can do this once again, or we can wait a moment, I will show it in a moment. We can paint on it by tapping on this pen icon here and do some lines. That's how it works. Then this is the first way. The second way is kind of more difficult, I think, but it's more useful. So at first, go to this view and tap Keynote on your keyboard. You should have this application pre-downloaded on your iPhone, but if you don't have downloaded, install this application. This is this one. Tap on your application to open it. Now, as you can see, this is my previous presentation. Here you should see this view while opening this application. Tap Start and Outline. Now tap on the slide here. You should see something like that. Tap this plus at the top, tap photo or video, and select your photo. For example, I really like this dog and I'm using this dog in every single video, so let's do this dog. Now we have to arrange our photo to our own needs. As you can see, we can resize it using these things, or just rearrange it on the slide. So let's do something like that. Maybe so we can see this dog. And now with this plus over here, wait a moment, it disappeared. Where is that? Oh, it is. We have to tap this plus once again, tap photo or video, and tap and select the second photo that we like. So for example, it can be this flower with hearts, cute flower with hearts. We can resize it and place it right here. Here, as you can see, we have now dog with the flower. And now we have to tap these three dots in a circle in the top right corner and tap export. Here we have to tap images. Here we can select format, JPEG, slower file size, PNG, TIFF, or HEIC. Apart from that, here they have include builds, but it's useless actually, or slide range, it's useless too. Tap export, and now here we can tap save image here. Now allow, and if we now leave this application, go straight to the photos, we should see our dog with the flower. It's right here. And that's how to combine photos in your iPhone. We have two ways, which this is the better one, but more complex. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye, have a nice day!